Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and I'm glad you're with me today. If you're like me this time of year, you want something different. I'm so tired of winter and everything we ate this winter. I'm looking for something new. Not too new because I'm not that good a cook. But today I thought we would make a Hawaiian macaroni salad, and it is a little different. I've got my water boiling, and you add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to this water, and then a pound box of macaroni. And while we're doing that, we'll go over everything else. It's a very simple recipe, and actually, I was quite shocked at it. And you have to have a carrot. You have to have a carrot. About a large carrot or 2 medium, which I went for. And they have to be little like this, which is not too bad to go down. So it's about a half cup, 3/4 cup, something like that. And I think that's about what we have here. And little green onions. This is very important. The salads have little green onions or an onion that you kind of like, onion you like. Now, we'll make the dressing while the macaroni is cooking. And it's a cup and a half of mayonnaise. You think that's a lot, but if you see what, in a minute, you'll see what it is. A tablespoon of vinegar, again. A tablespoon of sugar. Salt and pepper. Not much salt, about half a teaspoon of salt. And maybe a whole teaspoon of pepper. A little bit more pepper than salt because there's a lot of things in here that are salty. Let's see, I forgot the milk. And a tablespoon of milk. Now that milk seems odd, but what it does is it just thins it out. It's just to thin out so you can add it to your macaroni when it's done. And also this macaroni, you don't, al dente is 8 minutes for this particular one, but for this one they ask that you do it 2 extra minutes, so it'll be 10 minutes for this one. And just stir it good. It's a very simple recipe, and it is very different, and actually it's very good. So we're going to let this cook 10 minutes. Well, unfortunately, my camera stopped, and I didn't know it. And I had already gotten I went ahead and added my dressing, my carrots, and my onions. So that's where, about the time I realized my camera was up. Let me taste it and see if it's got enough salt. I gotta tell you, that is just as good as it comes. I am going to put a little bit more salt in it. You can't help the vinegar, but you can the sweetness of that little bit of sugar in the carrots. But to make my heart feel better, why can't we add just a few pineapple? It wouldn't hurt, would it? Let's put just a few pineapple in it. So I'm putting a half cup of pineapple in it. So when people say, "Yep, that's Hawaiian salad," I'll have my pineapple in it. I just can't see how you can make pineapple Hawaiian salad without pineapple. So it makes me feel better. Oh, that's good. That is really good. Well, I think it'll be even better when I put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to cover it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Listen, it's worth making, and it is that good. I wouldn't recommend it if it wasn't that good because I love macaroni salad. Yeah, it's worth trying. Well, it's good to have you with us today, and I'm sorry about my little interruption in my camera, but with me, anything could go wrong. Anyway, have a wonderful day, and be thankful for what we have. Remember to subscribe, ring that bell. Remember the joy. I'll see you soon.